Welcome. Uh, this is how you connect your wallet to TrustBar. Basically, if you're not on Polygon, you'll be asked to switch, and then you can connect your wallet, and you can now trade on TrustBar. So let me just go through a couple of tokens. Let's see. I can trade BAL. So let's see, I've got a 0.5. Let's see, if you click here, you'll get a code. So if you were to convert 0.1 BAL, this is how much TSB you would receive. If you haven't traded before, you'll get that approved spending. So let's see, BAL to USDT now. BAL to USDT is 0.33, but also you'll have to approve if you haven't traded before. Let's see USDC, which I've done on before. So 0.1 USDC, you see now I don't have the approved spending. I actually just have the trade button. So that would work perfectly now. Let's see USDC to BAL. That's how much it is. It's a bit weird. My USDC balance doesn't look right. Okay, let me just check. What's this? USDT. That one looks fine. Okay, let's check USDC again. Okay, there we go. 0.7. All right. BAL. If you get that code, 0.1 BAL. If you click trade, you get the confirmation screen, and then obviously your MetaMask will pop up to allow you to confirm the transaction on the blockchain. Right, let me see, should I speed it up? Nah, okay, let's just leave. Maybe it's gonna be fine. Okay, once you confirm, then the transaction is submitted to the blockchain, and that's basically how you would trade on TrustBar. You can view the transaction on the blockchain explorer, and once it's confirmed, the tokens will be credited to your wallet, and that's how you swap. This normally take maybe 10-20 seconds sometimes. If the network's a bit busy, it can take a little, about 30 seconds, but yeah, that's why sometimes you might want to pay an extra 0.001 of a cent just to speed it up. But let's see how this goes. It should confirm soon. Yeah, normally by now it's confirmed. Let me just check if I refresh and see how that's gonna look. Okay, here we go. Okay, so transactions confirmed. The 0.5 USDC has been swapped to 0.1 BAL as you quoted. Now let's look at BAL. I've got 0.7. Can keep that. Let's trade that to maybe Rapmatic 0.5. I haven't traded BAL before, so when I get the code, you have to approve the spending. Basically, that allows the proxy contract to be able to take the BAL and then give you the Matic. Here you can just use I think what is set, because I think we're setting it to about 100 times your balance. Otherwise you might use exactly like how much your balance is, and then if you get more you have to submit another approve again. Okay, so that's submitted. Let's see how that's gonna look on the blockchain. Hopefully this one's quick. Looks good. We're gonna just refresh and then have a look-see and see. Okay, the approve is ready. So now once the approve is there, then our TrustBar UI will allow you to now trade. because then the contract can swap the tokens in the backend on the blockchain. So now let's submit this transaction. So now we're going to trade from BAL to Repmatic. Let's see how that goes. Let's view it on the blockchain again. Okay, this looks good. Things are moving quick. So there you have it. So now we've swapped our 0.45 BAL and we have got 3 point something Repmatic, and that is how you trade on TrustBar. The TrustBar token is available also. Please buy the TSB. Let's get this show on the road. Currently, I think we have only a handful of holders, so it'll be nice to get more people buying into the token, and let's see where we can take this thing. We're gonna look at some token utility and see how we can make this TrustBar token useful on the blockchain, whether it's registering or anything else. Thanks. So if you got this far, click on the link in the description, head on over to TrustBar, buy the token, and let's get it started.